for me, this is really a game changer. For my team, it's a game changer.
How did you discover Teamflect? Where did Teamflect come in?
I was looking for a tool to effectively collaborate with our team members, and also then from an HR viewpoint to have streamlined processes and going away from anything that's manual.
What are you using Teamflect for right now?
Majority of our population is using it to track their one-to-ones with their manager, track their goals as well, so the goals section. And then there's quite an intensive usage when we are looking at performance reviews, talent reviews. Then you see a peak in usage of Teamflect, of course. But let's say day to day, it's one-to-ones and goal follow-up. What I do use frequently is the survey section. Certainly for change processes, we have an ERP implementation program running currently where we want to really have these pulse checks. So on a quarterly basis, I send out a survey, which is very useful for me to detect any kind of change and to have also this as a conversation piece with the board, because from an HR viewpoint, you can say, okay, change is going difficult or it's going easy. It doesn't resonate in a boardroom. So when I can bring the survey data with it and I see, okay, these are the trends in the questions, we have something to talk about and we have something that we can really grasp and take action and define the actions against.
Have you seen any, measurable changes or improvements in your operations or your day-to-day, after implementing Teamflect?
From an HR viewpoint, definitely, because we could immediately stop with manual processes of performance reviews. So now it's just, activating the questionnaire. I can speak to my leadership team. Are these the questions that we want to ask? This is what we want to have reviewed, whatever is playing currently. Like, for example, the following performance review, there will definitely be a section in it in how do you perceive AI technology, for example, and how can it help you and how does it not support you. So it's quite dynamic. So it's just an easy conversation with my leadership team and then just launch it and that's it. And reminders, it's just pushing the little bell and the reminders are sent. And so for me, this is really a game changer. For my team, it's a game changer. I think overall, it's perceived as a very useful tool, replacing a lot of, I've put something in OneNote and I've put something on an Excel file and something in my notebook and whatever, which now it all comes together in Teamflect for majority of the population.
How was the implementation and, user adoption process in Decospan?
For everybody who's on it now, it's perceived as very organically. It's like it's an environment that they know already. In essence, so not a lot of troubles really. I had foreseen some trainings, but it's really not necessary even.
Do you think Teamflect's, integration with Microsoft Teams and it being in the Microsoft ecosystem helped with that?
From an HR viewpoint, it's great. You have the link with Active Directory, so I don't need to upload anything. It's automatically linked to each other. I didn't, as adoptive it was, as enthusiastic I was to implement it in the company. So, because I had some other tools as well who then did not have that integration. So that was for me already a big element to go for it.
How has your experience been with customer support?
I prefer to learn by myself, so the user manuals were very good. So basically fast responses as well, no complaints. And then you have the help button as well, like this chatbot, I think, which is also helpful if I don't find a certain button or something. I can annoy the AI function on it.
Would you recommend Teamflect to other organizations and why?
Certainly from HR to HR definitely, because for me it's a really big game changer. I think I've done it already even a couple of times. Maybe I should tell that to you. I do recommend it because I see way too often in any type of company this whole variety of tools that are used for keeping track of stuff. And with Teamflect it comes, the majority of things you can combine in Teamflect, which is really an asset, I think.